Hi, my name's Chris at CMR Electrical. Today we're here to talk about the LD1V water leak detection system. And here it is. This system comes with an audible and visual alarm that is mutable. We'll talk about the leak detection cable here first. This is a multi-coloured 4-core leak detection cable that has a plug on the end that connects to the signal cable here. This panel is the size of a double socket, so it comes with a double socket back box, standard. If we flip it around, we'll see the controls. We'll start off with the incoming power supply, which is here, it's on the right hand side here, 230 volts AC, live, earth and neutral. Next to this is the valve control, which is the red wire goes to live and the black wire goes to neutral. The sensor wire connects into the two-way terminal block up here, red and black. It doesn't matter which way around you get these. And the sensitivity adjustment is here. This is to either you can desensitize or sensitize the detection cable, depending on the application. If the detection cable is in a damp area, and you get the odd alarm, you can desensitize it by turning it anti-clockwise by half a turn. This will desensitize it and obviously will stop the false alarms. Next to this is a two-way BMS terminal. It's normally open contact, and if a leak is detected, it will close. This is the horn, and if we flip it back round, we'll carry out a test. If I put it into alarm, you can see the green LED is now flashing red to indicate a leak, and you can hear the horn sound. If I mute it, it will come up with a solid red LED, and obviously the horn will turn off. As you can see, the valve is now closed. If for whatever reason you want to turn the water supply back on, you can hold the mute button down for 5 or 6 seconds. This will open the valve and turn the water supply back on, as you can see. Once you've cleared up the leak, the panel will automatically reset. Thank you very much for watching my video.